What's up guys, today is the start of the Rnec 2020, which is a video editing competition. The way it works is that you download the video clips that I've selected, and then you edit them in your style and then upload it to YouTube, and then I'll be watching and judging the videos and picking my top 5 favorite videos to show on the channel. There's no real criteria for the videos, you just have to put your own creative ideas into it. So if you'd like to get involved, then the link is down below to download the footage and all of the information on how to enter the competition. So I'm looking forward to seeing all the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.